Okay, here's the tank. 330-gallon tank. Need to tap this pipe into the tank. 2-inch. And one of these is gonna go right in there. Alright, we got a hole. And there it is. So we need to place this bulkhead right in here. Like this. We have a rope through in a loop like this. Okay, we have the outside part here on the string. The other part, we're going to go fish it right in there. And here it is. Just like that. And this part goes on just like that. Voila. Just got to install this. Alright, here we have it. We got the plug-in with the bulkhead installed. We got the inlet. This is going to be the outlet. We're going to plug it for now because we're not ready to use it just yet. Should be good enough. And this is going to be our clean out that we're going to finish later. And that's it. And we are ready to turn on the water. Let's see. Okay, we are ready to test our hydraulic ram pump. We've got the water from the canal coming in here. This is the transfer tank. It basically transfers the water elevation up from about 100 feet upstream to this level, and the water stops right about here. That's why there's a standpipe. Now here we go. Water's in this drive pipe, flows down along the pipe. I'll have to measure how long it is. It's about 100 feet or so. So here it goes, and here is our hydraulic ram pump. Press this check valve, and you can see the pressure gauge increases in pressure. Now press it one more time. Gotta press it one more time. So we're now about so what we're doing is we're creating, this is going to be the delivery pipe, and the water is going to be going somewhere along the delivery pipe, and because it's going to go up in elevation, it's going to create back pressure pushing the water this way. And when we close the valve, the water gets stored in this, the pressure gets built up in this pressure tank, and that's what we see here on the gauge. So if we open, you'll see water coming out and the pressure to drop. So we're artificially making it think that there's back pressure here. So here we go. Press. So it's building up pressure. We're gonna release it, and we're gonna, so it doesn't build too much pressure, we're gonna throttle it just like that, and off it goes. think the pressure dropped a little bit too much. So you can see it. So I might need to add a little bit of weight to the check valve. And I would have to secure this because the hydraulic ram, you can see it really shakes this pipe. You can see the movement here quite a bit. And we're at 60 psi. So we really need to secure this base because you can see the longitudinal motion back and forth. Uh-oh. It's stuck. That valve gets stuck a little bit. Okay, here is our hydraulic ram pump. It is being placed into some foundation footings, basically these 1/2-inch screws. We're placing some concrete right in there, and here's our mix, just like that. So we've got to fill that up just where the thread starts. So we have about 3 more inches maybe to go. We want it nice and solid so that when the hydraulic ram occurs, the pump stays put, and that kinetic energy that comes down the pipe and hits this check valve, it gets transferred into pressure up this way and gets pumped uphill. So we don't want to lose that energy just from the motion of back and forth lateral. That's why we're putting some strong foundation. With these bolts will hold the whole thing in place, and it's gonna be nice and solid. Okay, here's what we have so far. We have this box basically made for this hydraulic ram pump so that when the water splashes, it stays nice and clean. It doesn't really matter, but the most important part is that these support bolts are anchored in concrete, and we're letting it dry maybe for a few days. I'm going to let it sit like that, and then we'll adjust it and then hook it up. We'll replace the pressure tank right in there, and then we'll attach this delivery pipe that goes way back there up the hill. So, and then we'll kind of finish up this little spillway there, kind of clean it up a little bit, make it work. But that's it for today.